Hey everybody, I just saw this thing that showed up in my LinkedIn feed from Sean White that showed how he just finished NABCEP's new Energy Storage Installation Professional Certification, ESIP. And I've been dying to talk about this for forever. Way back when a really good buddy of mine, Wes Kennedy, called me up and he said, hey man, I was on the ESIP test writing committee, and I just want to tell you, hey, thanks for pulling your weight and being one of the few non-code related resources for the exam. And I was like, are you kidding me? That's so cool. And I was invited to do the JTA. You can see here, if you go to NABCEP's website, you can see the job task analysis list for this new certification. And it gives you everything that you will need to know to get this cert. And if you go all the way down the bottom, you see all these good people that collaborated to come up with this brand new certification. I was not invited to write the exam, so I was a little hurt about that and wondered who I made mad, but I was invited to review the exam questions, and it was such an honor to be able to be involved with that piece of it. And I will say that my book, The Battery Powered Home, is a reference for some of the test questions. Now, I will never get to the point like Sean White, who's written all those code-related books. That's just not my thing. I just let people like him that know what's going on do his thing. But I think what I provide and what I contribute to this certification is worthwhile. And I say that because of the angle that I approach what I've done, for almost 16 years in this industry, right? I love this industry. I love the people in it. It just seems to attract good people. And I just think that there's a very high need for training and certifications. And I think this ESIP course is a great addition to anybody's resume or even their work ethic as somebody that wants to really get serious about the energy storage part of our industry. I just think that's probably what a lot of people need to do. They need to get this certification. And I just, again, want to thank NABCEP and the code writers, or not the code writers, but the certification people that were involved in this, and for allowing me to be involved. And something I've always wanted to do. I love NABCEP, and I really believe that what they do is making our industry better. So anything you can do to make the industry better is just a win-win for everybody. So I'll put a link down in the description to get my book. It'll help you with this ESIP certification. I even dropped the price. It's on Amazon, and you can search for it. It'll pop right up. But I did lower the price because, hey, I think it's a worthwhile thing to do. So anyway, thank you very much. See ya.